Hello, today I would like to demonstrate how to see what people are listening to on Spotify. So basically, you just gotta, go for the profile page of the person that you would like to, see what this person or this user of Spotify is listening to. If the person's recently played artist or songs does not display over here, that means that the person in the settings of the user's Spotify account did not turn on this listening activity toggle. Therefore, if you want for this person to, or should I say if you want for the listening activity of this person to be visible for everybody, including you, you're gonna ask that this person turn on this listening activity toggle as well as the recently played artist toggle. Or should I say any of those toggles, any of those switches, or both of them. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.